IPL 2025 opening ceremony highlights, Shah Rukh Khan's dance with Virat Kohli, Disha Patni's moves enthrall fans. IPL 2025 opening ceremony highlights, Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, actress Disha Patni and star cricketer Virat Kohli shone in the opening ceremony. IPL 2025 opening ceremony highlights, the opening ceremony of Indian Premier League 2025 got underway at Eden Gardens in Kolkata with Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan giving a terrific speech. Meanwhile, singer Shreya Ghoshal enthralled the fans with her melodious voice. Then came Bollywood actress Disha Patni and stole the show with her amazing dance moves. Punjabi singer Karan Aujla followed her with an impactful performance. After this, SRK called Rinku Singh and Virat Kohli on stage and danced with the two on different songs. The fans could not keep calm, especially when Virat and Shah Rukh danced together on Jhume Jo Pathaan song. SRK then called the top officials from BCCI and IPL on stage along with the performers at the event and also the captains of KKR and RCB. They all sung the Indian national anthem together to cap off the opening ceremony. KKR vs RCB live updates. Here are the highlights of IPL 2025 opening ceremony. March 22,202,519 ratio 11 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, opening ceremony ends. The opening ceremony for IPL 2025 has ended at Eden Gardens, Kolkata. That's it from this blog, folks. We have the toss for the KKR vs RCB game coming in next. For that, tune into our live coverage for the IPL 2025 match here. March 22,202,519, 08 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, don't miss this. March 22,202,519, 06 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, national anthem underway. The Indian national anthem is being sung on stage at the moment with Shah Rukh Khan, all the performers, captains of KKR and RCB and the BCCI and IPL officials on stage. The anthem ends now and we have a short break. March 22,202,519, 00 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, BCCI and IPL officials on stage. BCCI President Roger Binney along with other official of the board and IPL is on the stage. KKR captain Ajinkya Rahane and RCB skipper Rajat Patidar to walk onto the stage with the coveted trophy in their hands. March 22,202,518 ratio 54 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, dance, dance, dance. Shah Rukh Khan and Rinku Singh danced to Lat Put Gaya song before SRK asked Virat Kohli to dance with him. The duo danced on Jhume Jo Pathaan song and the fans went crazy. March 22,202,518 ratio 51 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, SRK calls Virat on stage. After Karan Aujla's performance, host Shah Rukh Khan once again came on the stage with mic on his hand. He then called Royal Challengers Bengaluru and India player Virat Kohli on the stage. The duo had some funny and good conversation before SRK also called Kolkata Knight Riders and India player Rinku Singh on stage. March 22,202,518 ratio 44 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, Disha set stage on fire. March 22,202,518 ratio 39 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, watch Disha's dance moves here. March 22,202,518 ratio 36 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, ICYMI. March 22,202,518 ratio 35 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, Karan Aujla now on stage. A short break before Disha continues her performance. Karan Aujla is now on the stage and this should be the last show of the opening ceremony. March 22,202,518 ratio 30 IST. IPL 2025 opening ceremony live, it's Disha Patni time. The performance of Shreya Ghoshal has ended and now comes Bollywood actress Disha Patni on the stage. Before her arrival, the iconic IPL music gets played. The lights come and there is Disha in silver dress, setting the stage on fire by dancing on Pagal song. March 2.